Hey guys, leave in the comments what you want me to play, because I'm bored of just making my own stuff up. You might not like it. I don't really know what to do right now. I just started it, because I like doing videos. I started 3 weeks ago and I already have 25 videos. So what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Sing a song. What can we do? We can play with Sophia. That's what we can do. Come on, Sophia. Sophia. No, great. Sat down. Like, hey. Hey, what do you like? Hey. Hey. Birdie? You see Birdie? Yeah. Ooh, she's laying. Like that. Ooh, it's fluffy. Dookie! Dookie! Duke! Duke! There you are. Yeah? Yeah? Come on. Sophia, come on. Let's go play with Dookie. Dookie, you building a snowman? You're not building a snowman? I thought, whoa! Duke's building a snowman. Ooh. It's dead. Yeah. Or we can sit on this. Ooh. Where's Kelsey? Now, Dookie, where you going? Dookie? Duke. Duke. No, it's not. Okay. Maybe I can ride my scooter. Nah, that will be the end of our video for today. Bye! Da-na-na, da-na-na, na, na, da-da-da-da.